Good morning, children. Welcome to class 2nd of science. Hope you all are fit and fine at your homes. Children, our today's topic is domestic animals. There are different types of animals in the world. Some animals live in forest and some animals are kept at homes or farms. Animals are divided into two categories, that is domestic animals and wild animals. In previous video we studied about the wild animals. Now we will discuss about the domestic animals. Children, can you tell me the names of these animals? Right. These are cow, buffalo, dog, camel, goat, and cat. We see these animals around us. We keep some of them in our homes and some others on the farms. Let's learn about the domestic animals, useful things from domestic animals, and uses of domestic animals. Animals such as cow, buffalo, camel, horse, sheep, dog, etc. that are kept at homes or farms are called domestic animals. These animals are very helpful to us. We provide them food to eat and shelter to live. Domestic animals help us in many ways. They give us many useful things. First is food. We get milk from animals such as cow, buffalo, camel, and goat. Children, as you know, milk makes us strong and healthy. Milk is used to make things such as curd, butter, ghee, paneer, and ice cream. These things are called milk products. Children, we get eggs from hen and duck. We get meat from animals such as hen, fish, sheep, and duck. Next is honey and wax. Honeybees live in beehives. We get honey and wax from beehives. Honey is good for our health. Children, beeswax is used in medicines and to make candles. Next is fibers. Children, in previous video I told you that we get jute and cotton fibers from plants, but we get silk fiber from animals such as silkworms. Silk fibers are used to make silk sarees, dresses, and scarves. Next is wool. Children, we wear woolen clothes in winters because woolen clothes keep us warm. From where do we get the wool? We get wool from the fleece of the sheep. Wool is used to make woolen clothes like sweaters, gloves, caps, etc. Next is leather. Children, we wear leather shoes, leather jackets. Do you know, children, from where do we get the leather? We get leather from the skin of dead animals like buffalo, cow, camel, and snake. This leather is used to make bags, jackets, belts, purses, and shoes. Got it, children? Next is uses of domestic animals. Children, animals such as horse, donkey, ox, and camel, help us in carry heavy loads. Children, in early days, humans did not have cars, buses, or any vehicles for the transportation. They used to travel with the help of animals from one place to another. Animals like camel, horse, ox help us to move from one place to another. Next is biogas. Children, do you know what is biogas? Biogas is made from animals' waste, like the cow dungs, the buffalo dungs. They are collected in a chamber and then they are preserved and then fermented. The gas from it is released and it is used as a fuel for cooking. Do you understand, children? How are animals very useful to us? So, be kind for animals. I hope you enjoyed this module. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.